Hi there! We're going to start out the Halloween series for the year, and I want to start out light. For the people that are not into that creepy kind of makeup, I will do an eyeliner look that I feel like it's more on the glamorous side, if that's the look that you want to go for Halloween. Also not scary and pretty simple to do. I mean, it's a little bit of liner work, but it's not face painting or anything like that. The look is this one. I'm going to be inspired by Alice King makeup. She does outstanding looks. I'm going to link her username down below in the description box, so go check her out. Let's get into it. I have my face makeup already on, so it's time for the eye makeup. I'm gonna start with that smoky lower lash line first, and for that I'm going to need a black eye pencil. This is the first one that I found. It's the Boysenberry's black velvet eye pencil. You can use any black pencil that you want. So first I'm going to line my waterline with this pencil, and then I'm also going to apply it in between my lashes. Can you hear the barking dog? I hope you cannot. I'm on my balcony as usual, so there's noise coming from outside. So I'll be lining in between my lashes to smoke out the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna use my pencil brush, my Morphe M149, and I'm just gonna attempt to smudge this a bit. Then what you're going to need is a black eyeshadow. I'll be taking this one from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be using the same pencil brush. Careful to not get fallout on my face. I'm gonna need to blend it a bit, but I'm going to need a gray shade. I have this dark gray in the palette, but I'm going to mix it with the white just to lighten it up a little bit. And I'm gonna throw that underneath the black. So first I'm going to do a regular graphic liner. I'm going to use this Catrice eyeliner. I'm gonna start from my outer corner, continuing this lower lash line that we did. So doing a line there. My lines are not going to be as perfect as Alice's are, because I don't know how she does it. They always come out perfect. You're gonna want to leave space here to draw that spider web. So something like that. So I have enough space here, and then I just continue the graphic liner. Whew. Rule number 1, don't breathe. It's going to ruin everything. Trying to make it as smooth as possible. I think that is good enough for me. I'm going to continue it, or should I? Okay, I'm going to do it all the way to the inner corner, even though for my deep set eyes I usually avoid that shape, solely because it might not be even visible when I open my eyes because of my huge crease. Wow, that was smooth. I actually think I'm going to switch to a thinner tip liner, and I'll be using the Epic Ink liner from NYX Cosmetics. First I'm going to draw a V inside this graphic liner. So it's pretty similar to this outline that we did, but it's going to be inside of it. Wow, my lines are far from perfect. Now that we have that down, we're going to do little half circles inside of it. And one more row. Finishing up with mascara. False lashes would be nice in this combination, it's just that I don't want to apply them. I am too unbothered for false lashes. So I'll be applying the False Lashes mascara from Essence. And now you can just throw a black lip, and that's the Halloween makeup. I'm going to use the same eye pencil to line my lips. Are there even black lip pencils for sale? Or does everybody use eye pencils? I know there are black lipsticks, but pencils? I've never seen those. If black is too much for you, you can go for a dark red, of course. I feel like that would suit the look as well. You can obviously use that pencil on your entire lip, but I do have this lipstick that I want to use. It's from Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade, it's the Mademoiselle in the shade Clapback. I'm pretty sure that this is a dark green. That's what I've seen from swatches online, but it looks completely black to me, and it looks black on my lips, so I'm gonna apply it. Or is it a dark blue? I don't know. I think it's a dark blue. Looks close enough to black to me. Here's the look. I really hope you like it. If you do celebrate Halloween, have you decided what costume you're going to wear? I'm really curious. I feel like something like this is a little bit more accessible if you're not into that creepy makeup like blood, demons and everything else people get dressed up as. Hope you enjoyed it. Wish you a very beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!